Hi, this is Colton and Jacob from CJL Sports, and today it's like 110 degrees out here in Reading, so we're going to do pickup truck dinners, and we have to start with mini chocolate chip cookies because they take longer to bake. Okay. This is going to be a lot of cookies. Okay, so we got all the cookies laid out, and now we have to bring them out to the oven. Okay, let's go. There we go. Now we got to see how they turn out. Okay, the cookies have been in for around 3 hours at 180 degrees. They're ready to be took out. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got them out. Now let's go back into the house. Jacob, door.
Okay, now that the cookies are baked, let's try them. Ready?
Lucas is already starting to eat. I like them. They came out very good.
Yeah, they're more good. Definitely.
Now we got to do the pizza. And now it's time to make our pizzas. Let's start making them. Now that our pizzas are done, let's go put them in the oven. Come on. Let's get them in the oven. There we go. Now all we have to do is wait.
Okay, guys, the pizza has been in the car for about 2 hours and at about 106 degrees. Let's get them out.
Okay. This is Lucas's. And Jacob's. And mine. Okay, let's go see how they taste. Okay, time to eat.
It's so good.
That tastes really good.
That tastes really good.
This is amazing.
I never had one of these pizzas.
That's good.
Really, this is what I made.
Okay, thanks for watching. CJL Sports signing out. Say bye.
Bye.